Hello, my name is Viedell Leonard Widjaja, and I'm from University Nusa Putra, and I'm gonna representation about statistics. And now here we go. So, what is the list of the context? What is statistics? What have we learned from the first session? And statistics relevance with informatics engineering study program. So we move on to the next one. So what is statistics? Statistics is the branch of mathematics that deals with the collecting, analyzing, interpreting, presenting, and organizing data. It helps us make sense of large amount of information by providing methods to summarize, visualize, and draw conclusions from data. So what have I learned from the first session? The first one is descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. So descriptive statistics is just like you summarize the data and then you visualize it. And for the inferential, you get to predict and then make a hypothesis and make the conclusion. We move on to the next one. So I learned qualitative. It is means that I have to count. It's not count, but just like how many people are there. Alright, to the next one, quantitative, measurable or countable. So it's just like temperature, salary, and exam score. So we move on to the next one, discrete data. So discrete data is just like separate values that can be counted. So it doesn't have fraction or decimals. For continuous data, so it's just like discrete data, but it's measurable and often infinite, taking on unlimited numbers of possible values within a range. Move on to the next one. So how do you gather data? So there are two types of gathering data. So the first one is primary data, which is you can survey to the original source. You can survey with them and question them on how the project would go. Okay, so to the next one, secondary data. So secondary data is easy because you can check it on the internet, you can check it on online database, books or articles. Let's go on to the next one. So there are four types of statistics. So the first one is nominal scales. It's just like categorizing data into distinct group or labels without any quantitative value. It's just like types of fruits: apple, orange, banana, and grapes. The next one is ordinal scale. Categorize data with inherent order or ranking. It's just like movie ranking. We're ranking from 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, and 5 stars. So let's move on to the next one, interval scale. Order data with equal intervals between values, but it does not have true 0 point. It's just like calendar years. Well, basically there are no 0 year, you know? Yeah, it's just like 2020, 2021, 2022. Okay, let's move on to the next one, radio scale. Well, it's just like the same as interval scale, but it has true 0 point. So if you just like someone asks you how many books you read, oh, I don't read books at all. Oh, so you have 0 books read right now. Yeah, this. So let's move on to the next one. So here's the last question. Is there any relevance between statistics and informatics engineering study program? It is. Statistics and informatics engineering are closely linked, especially in data science and machine learning. So statistics basically helps analyze data, build smarter algorithms, and ensure software runs smoothly, making it an essential tools for solving complex problems in informatics. So I think that's it for now. My name is Viedell and Caessar, signing out, and thank you.